Hello friends, this is Milani Hajunsu. Welcome to my channel which is all about enhancing what you have. Today I am doing Jennie's How You Like That inspired makeup. Please don't forget to like the video before we start. So first of all, I scrubbed my lips using Innisfree's Coffee Lip Scrub because it's quite hydrating. Then I moisturized my lips with Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. For moisturizer, I used Nivea. Then I'm applying Tone Up Cream because Jennie had really fair skin. Now I applied this a lot, so it took me a while to blend it into my skin. Make sure to use a little Tone Up Cream in start whenever you use it, and then you can apply more later on. I'm going to fast forward this step as it's unnecessarily long. By the way, who are you guys rooting for in BLACKPINK? Like, for this comeback, I love everyone. It's so hard to choose, isn't it? Now I'm applying Laneige Glowy Makeup Serum for my pores. Make sure to wait between the skin prep steps or else the products will start peeling on your face. Now I'm going to contour my face using an angled brush and Too Cool for School's contour. I'm using two of the darkest shades and applying it. This kit has very subtle contour colors and it looks very natural, so I packed the areas which I want to hide. How's it? Now I'm going to contour my nose the same way. Pat, 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 pat. By the way guys, I am in love with Duhwan and Sojun. What to do? I'm priming my lids with Etude House Primer so the colors look vibrant and well blended. I'm going to define the contour near my eyebrows more now because it might have been erased due to, the primer. Now I'm using eyebrow tint and filling my eyebrows with it in 01 natural color. The natural brown color. It has fork-like tip that really helps in the application. Now I'm using eyebrow mascara in red brown color as my eyebrows are darker than my hair. This step helps me in having my eyebrows matching my hair color. I'm tired. Now I'm using a cream foundation as a concealer to conceal my dark circles and blending it with my finger only. Now I'm going to use a light brown color and apply it on my eyelid with a flat brush. It's a lot darker than what I wanted, so I'm going to take the shadow on my left eye and apply it on right eye as well without using additional color. Kinda succeeded. Now, I'm going to apply Kajal pencil on my upper and lower lash line just like Jennie had. I'm so nervous to create a wing. Oh my god. Yes, I did it. I'm going to take a dark brown shade and blend it near my upper lash line. So if there is any kajal coming out, then it gets blended and gives appearance of an eyeliner, which I can't apply because I'm afraid. Also, I'm connecting my wing with lower lash line. I'm going to take a reddish pink eyeshadow and apply it with pencil brush under my lower lash line. I'm going to drag the eyeshadow down in shape of a tear or a triangle. I am keeping most of the color in middle and blending it in the skin. I'm going to take a blending brush and blend all the harsh lines. It will be better if you guys use a little more red eyeshadow than what I used here. Now I'm going to apply a little face powder to mute down the lines I just blended. I'm wearing these very unusual style earrings. Cool, na? Now I'm going to blend the powder I just applied with a clean blending brush. I'm mixing the lip balm on my lips that I applied in the beginning. Now I'm going to apply my favorite nude lipstick from MOONSHOT over the lip balm that I just blended into my lips. Now I'm going to apply Pony's lipstick in 03 Orange Dahlia to give glossy look to my lips like Jennie had. I'm going to apply mascara after curling my eyelashes. I literally straightened my hair twice, but due to humidity, it just can't stay straight. How's it looking? I applied Born Pretty's gold nail polish and it's so pretty. What are you guys' thoughts on this look? Did you like it? Do let me know in comment section below and please do subscribe if I made you smile. Can't wait for how you like that MV to release. Bye bye.